To remove your suspension fork, you need a 5mm Allen key first. Then start loosening the nut on the top of the stem. Then you need a 4mm Allen key to loosen the nut on the sides of the stem. Turn the Allen key clockwise or anti-clockwise as shown in the video to loosen the nuts. After removing the nut, keep it safely aside so that you can put afterwards. Put little pressure and remove the stem on the top and keep the handlebar aside with the stem connected slowly. Then start removing the washers and spacers at the top of the suspension stem. Then remove the top cap and separate the suspension fork from the frame slowly. Keep your frame aside and remove the washer cap from the downside and keep the suspension aside. Then start cleaning your cup on the top of the frame headset. Using a soapy water, clean the cups nicely with a cloth. Do not leave any soapy water there. Clean it nicely. Then clean the downside cup of the headset with the same method as shown in the video. Then leave it to dry. Now clean the cup on the suspension fork nicely with a cloth and a paper. Then wash your washers and bearings nicely. Then again grease your cups and cones nicely. Then put back the bearing on the suspension. Then apply some grease to it nicely. Afterwards, put the suspension back to the frame and put grease to the upper side of the headset and then put your bearing back again. And again apply some grease. Then put your top cap which holds the bearing nicely. This should be put properly, otherwise bearing may become loose and your suspension can move front and back. Then put all the washers and spacers nicely on the top. If you put this back all again, your work is done. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.